going to read the story Such a Noisy Bird, and this is written by Sophie Hitchcock. The oxpecker bird always wanted to be heard. Chirping, tweeting, singing, she was such a noisy bird. Squawk! I don't think the other animals are very pleased with that. She gossiped to the zebra, told the monkeys what to do. She told the rhino stories which were nonsense or untrue. She twittered at the elephant and jeered at the giraffe. She told hyenas silly jokes, but couldn't make them laugh. She chatted to the hippo while she glided near the lake. She even nattered to a vine. She thought it was a snake. She babbled at the buffalo and gave the lion chores. She heckled at the crocodiles who shocked her with their jaws. All the fuss and chatter meant that no one ever heard the crunch of a very hungry leopard who was prowling for his lunch. Ready to attack with his head down very low, he poked his face out through the reeds and heard a loud "Hello!" She chased the leopard through the grass and told him what to do. She's very bossy, isn't she? She told the leopard stories, which were nonsense or untrue. She chatted to the leopard as he tried to take a break. She even nattered while he slept. She thought he was awake. She babbled at the leopard as she tried to give him chores. Chores are like jobs that we have to do around the house. You might do some chores with your mummy and daddy. Ah! Growled the leopard. I can't take it anymore. Stop talking to me, please, and I will leave you all alone. Thanks, said the oxpecker, and off she flew back home. The oxpecker bird always wanted to be heard, chirping, tweeting, singing. She was such a useful bird. So she was very useful in the end by being so very noisy. I hope you enjoyed that. Bye.